Namaste, this is JVM Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics and Statistics in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss on the module Vital Statistics, and this module Vital Statistics is a part of the subject, the course Biostatistics, and under the program of BSc FND third semester and integrated BTech MTech FBT third semester and BTech FBT third semester of the university. And this is a part, Vital Statistics is a part of the various other courses, various other programs of the university, and as well as the different universities. Vital statistics is a very important topic of the subject statistics, and because in which the records, the data of our the society or the communal communal disease or the births, deaths, mortality, and the marriages are are taken, and the records are just stored, and because in the growth of a country, in the growth of the society or community, the such records are very important, and on the basis of these kind of records, the growth of the society or the growth of the country is will depend. That's why this topic Vital Statistics is very important part of the subject statistics, and as well as the biostatistics. As all we know that biostatistics is the subject, is the study of statistical statistical objectives, statistical data, and concerned with the biological phenomena, with the biological experiments, and the hypothesis testing. So that is also very important subject, biostatistics, for the research purpose also. And the today's session in which we are going to discuss about vital statistics is important, and that's why we are having this session today. We are having this session of vital statistics today, and we will study about their definitions, their concept of various vital statistical components, and their parts, along with examples. So we will discuss about that and the importance, the application part of these this subject vital statistics. So vital statistics can be defined as the data or the record of these like social or the communal the things. And here we are having this slide in which the definition of the vital statistics is defined. Here we can see the vital statistics is the data or the record regarding the marriage, birth, disease, and death, on the basis of which community health and development are studied. So vital statistics can be just taken as the record or the data, and which is regarding, which regards with the marriage, birth, disease, and death, and on the basis of which community health and developments are studied. Or we can define the vital statistics in the other words as this is the numerical description of births, deaths, abortion, marriages, divorce, adoption, and judicial separation. Now here we are having the objectives, the objective part of the vital statistics. Just why we are studying this topic, the subject of vital statistics. So what are the objectives? We are giving the objectives in the 4 different points, and the first point is to provide the reliable, relevant, up-to-date, adequate, timely, reasonable, complete information for health managers at all levels. So means just for the health managers, for the health doctors, supervisors, managers, we want to just provide the various information, and by this vital statistics we can provide these information to the health managers, and just these are reliable, relevant and up to date, adequate and timely, reasonable, because if the data are just collected and just these are stored, then the health managers can see and can analyze these data for their particular type of purpose. And the second point for the objective can be defined as to get reliable and at the sharing of technical and scientific information by all health personnel participating in the health service of a country. So it means these are the objective of this can be defined as the collection and the sharing of technical and the scientific information by all health personnel participating in the health service for a country. Next, to assist planners in studying their current functioning and trends in demand and workload. So also this vital statistics provide or just will assist planners in studying their current functioning and trends in demand and workload, to provide at periodic intervals data that will show the general performance of the health services. So these can be just the information by the vital statistics will provide at periodic intervals data that will show the general performance of the health services. Now we see next the uses of the vital statistics. So what are the uses? First of all, we will see the uses on the basis of general uses. The first use can be defined as a legal necessity. In the legal way, the vital statistics is very important. Next, administrative utility. For the administrative purposes, the vital statistics can be applied. Useful in planning. Also, because the vital statistics will provide us the various information regarding marriages and births, deaths, and the infant deaths, mortality, or the abortion or the disease, so they will the information will be useful for the planners for making the new kind of plans for regarding with the health issues. And the next use is of the international utility basis of social reform, because when we discuss about all these kind of the things like the marriages or the divorces and the births, then this will be helpful for the base of the social reform of the societies. Next, we are going to discuss about the uses and the uses based on the health purpose. So these uses can be given as determination of health status of the individual or the community health problems and their health requirements. So determination of health status. So these will be helpful for the finding of health status of the individual or the community and their health problems and their requirement of health. Next can be given as making programs for the health. So in this way the vital statistic can be applied. Next the improvement in the administration. Next the comparing the health status of one nation with others. So just because vital statistics, if we have then we can compare the health status of one country or the one nation with the other nations, and if one nation is lacking somewhere regarding the health issues, then with these information, with the vital statistic information, the country can improve and can compete with the other nations, with the other countries. Evaluation of the health programs for research matters, research in matters related for health. So definitely the vital statistics will be helpful for the further studies, for the further research programs, and just those are related with the health. For analysis of the trends of health statistics, and just these are also helpful. This subject is also helpful for the analysis of the trends of health statistics, and besides this, the other use of the vital statistics is very important for the society, and in which just we can see like the number of divorces, the deaths can be reduced with the help of vital statistics, and the various the number of marriages, and the other kind of the like infant mortality can be just improved with the help of the vital statistics, because it will provide the various data for the planners to make such the new plans by which we can reduce the mortality or the number of divorces in the society. And what are the components of the vital statistics? The components of the vital statistics are the demography, vital events, environmental health statistics, communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases, and health status like mortality and morbidity, disability, and quality of life, and health resources like facilities, beds, manpower. So these can be taken as the components of the vital statistics, where just we can see the component part of this statistics, and can be just useful for the further studies related with the vital or the vital statistics, or the important parts of the just reformation of our society. Now next, the important types. What are the types of the this vital statistics? We can see what are the different types in which we can divide it: crude birth rate, crude death rate, known as generally CBR and CDR, crude birth rate and crude death rate, infants mortality rate, and the life expectancy. So in the today's session we have discussed about the various parts of the vital statistics and their requirements, their applications, and their components, uses regarding health, and the general uses of vital statistics. And as we have already explained that this subject of vital statistics is very important for a country, for a society, for a community to develop their the level, the status, and related with health issues and with the other kind of issues. So students are advised to prepare this topic with concepts, and it is very important topic for general in our health issues. So students are also advised to practically apply this subject and provide the informations to the various groups of the societies and the communities, and also they must prepare the objective questions and the subjective questions for their examinations purpose and the competitive examination purpose. Thank you.